right there. My name's Glyn and I'm not here to waste your time. In just a few minutes, I'm about to hand you the exact same done-for-you system which makes me at least $500 per day by giving away products for free which are created by other people. That's right, this is the only system that turns zero into thousands of dollars per day in affiliate commissions. And it's not just me having incredible success with this system. In the past 7 days, James from Nebraska made $697, Jane from Sydney made $853, and Keith from Toronto made over $1,500. What do these three people have in common? Not a single thing, except they're all regular people who use this system to make consistent money online with only a few hours of work each week. Over the next couple of minutes, I'm going to share with you my personal secret for making consistent daily profits online. So if you're tired of all the hype, all the junk and empty promises from gurus that left you feeling lost, then this system that I developed will finally make sense to you and be the key for your future success online. It's important you watch until the end because I'm only sharing this with a few select individuals due to time limitations, and you're one of the lucky few who will ever have a chance to watch this short video. This system has been responsible for generating 7 figures in commissions so far for myself and all members inside the 7-figure commission system without creating products or websites, without creating YouTube videos or getting on camera, without running an Amazon business, without trading crypto or anything else which you may have tried in the past. And don't worry, because you're not shipping products, there's zero overheads and you don't need any experience or technical skills to succeed with the 7-figure commission system. This system is a complete game changer, and what it does is so simple yet so powerful to make at least $500 per day online, because all we have to do is give away done-for-you digital products created by other people and we get paid. But before you get your hands on the system, I want to take you back to January 2019 when I accidentally stumbled across this incredible strategy. I was having a really difficult month, my income had pretty much dried up, so I decided it would be a great time to test a new strategy I'd recently heard about on a private forum, and fortunately for me, this one worked. The strategy is simple and involves giving away something for free, and as it was my birthday, I thought it would be a great time to give this a little test. So as a birthday treat, I gave away a really basic product for free online, and to my amazement and surprise, within minutes I started to make hundreds of dollars in online commissions. I'd completely forgotten and didn't realize that this product that I was giving away for free was connected to a funnel with paid upgrades. Without any effort, I gave away a free product with a bunch of paid upgrades, and I was able to make thousands of dollars while helping people out for free. I didn't even ask these people for money or to buy any upgrades, but they were so grateful about the freebie, they bought many of the optional upgrades. In fact, this test went extremely well, and to my amazement, 500 people took the free product. Out of those 500 happy freebie seekers, 90% went on to purchase the first upgrade, and over 70% bought the second upgrade as well. In total, this test brought me over $17,348 in commissions from giving away this initial product for free. And it gets even better. Inside the members area of the free product, I put a link to an automated high-ticket webinar which pays out $1,000 plus every time a sale is made. And again, to my surprise, out of the 500 people who went for the free product, 57 of those freebie buyers went on to purchase the high-ticket product. Each sale was worth $1,000 commission direct to my bank account, meaning I made an additional $57,000. From that day, I knew this strategy was going to make me extremely wealthy very, very fast because it's so simple and easy to do. The best thing about this method is that it works without spending a dime of my own money in the process. All I have to do is give away products on the internet for free. Now, because I want as many people as possible to be able to do what I'm doing without requiring any experience, budget, or technical skills, I decided to create the 7-figure commission system. And yes, this system has made me over 7 figures since I initially stumbled across it. The 7-figure commission system is an automated done-for-you system which makes us at least $500 per day by giving away products for free, which are created by other people. This is the only system you'll find online that turns zero into thousands of dollars in online affiliate commissions. We're cashing in just by giving away free stuff with absolutely no selling required. The 7-figure commission system is your ticket to making boatloads of easy commissions, and it's 100% done for you. Now, before I take this page down, I'll warn you, please don't exit this page as it won't be available again. The 7-figure commission system taps into a little-known giveaway method that acts as a blueprint for simple, consistent daily online profits, something new you've never seen before because nobody has ever talked about this before. Imagine being able to confidently earn money online each and every day. I'm earning thousands of dollars per day with this strategy, and it's extremely simple for anyone to do when you have your own 7-figure commission system. We're talking $500, thousands per day, working just a few minutes. You can do it from home, at the local coffee shop, or anywhere else you can get online. 7-figure commission system levels the playing field so you can get the same results as the internet marketing gurus. This is affiliate marketing like you've never seen it before because it's never been done like this before. All the selling with this system is done for you. All you do is give away the products for no cost. Then once visitors grab access, they see additional premium options for better results. Automated sales pages present each upgrade. The user decides which ones they want and you make the commissions, starting from scratch with zero budget. We're able to bank a minimum of $500 in affiliate commissions per day every time we give products away for free. All you have to do is grab your license to my 7-figure commission system, plug in your affiliate links, select one of the products to give away, and the rest is done for you. You'll see the results within days, not years. And what's so great about this system is it gets you free buyer traffic from a $2 billion traffic source. And for the record, this has nothing to do with it. Any hard word, anything difficult, creating products, creating videos, getting on camera, spamming social media, or anything else you can think of. If you can use a mouse, that's all the tech skills you need to get great results. We're cashing in just by giving away products for free on the internet. Everything has been done for you with this system, and with your license, you're getting everything you need to get great results. I've personally created the products, sites, pages, funnels, high-ticket webinars, and everything else required to make thousands of dollars per day. I've tested the system over and over to make sure it works for anyone, and I've spent thousands of dollars in development costs to make sure you can start getting results from day one. Our system makes us at least $500 or more right out of the gate on autopilot, and that's just from one person that takes the product for free. When we need another cash injection, we just give away another product. It really is that simple. This system is making me really good money right now and is the same system that saved my bank account ever since the pandemic hit, all the way through to the present day as we battle the latest job-crushing recession. You've seen the news in recent times. People are losing their jobs all over the world. Even worse than that, it's harder to find a new job. Well, today, we're putting a stop to your job search because you've just found the right system at the right time that may well save your bank account like it did mine. This system has allowed me to travel the world first class and stay in 5-star hotels, and I've even been able to purchase a few rental properties in New York and London. So if you're sick and tired of buying junk products and softwares that teach you outdated methods that simply don't work anymore, now is the perfect time to secure your license to the 7-figure commission system so you can live your dream life. We've done all the work to ensure you're as successful as the rest of my members, and we're even going to set up the system for you. We've created the products for you to give away, created the sites, pages, high-ticket automated webinar funnels, and a whole lot more. All you have to do is plug in your details in my system, insert your affiliate links, and watch the magic happen. I want to help you succeed as fast as possible, but I know exactly how it feels to be struggling trying to make your first dime on the internet, which is why I'm handing you a license to my 7-figure system right now. I've actually helped countless people from every corner of the globe earn their first commissions online, including these guys right here.
I just wanted to come in here and quickly send a quick shout out to my good friend Glenn Koski. Once again, you've come out with another excellent product. I'm going to tell you right now, if it wasn't for the help and the money that I gained from purchasing your products, I would not have a small business right now. So I got to tell you, I appreciate the fact that there's an honest affiliate marketer, mentor, and that's what you are. You're a mentor to people that are just starting out.
The last 3 days, I've got 10 sales. I've never done that before in all the years I've been doing this stuff. So I highly recommend Glenn and his courses.
I had been active only a few days, and as soon as I started to follow Glenn's instruction, the money started to come in.
So the last 30 days, I've made $1,555. Look at the last 7 days here, $917.
Glenn promised that I would be generating income. I've generated nearly $300 in the week since completing the setup videos.
A big, huge thank you to Glenn. I've been using his products, and I just want to say that I have not found products like this that can instantly make you money and continue to make you the residual income that you've probably been looking for.
And I just want to give a quick testimonial and a quick shout out to my man Glenn. I want to say, brother, thank you for what you've done. In under 4 days, I was already start making $100 a day. So my man, I love what you're doing. Peace and love. And brother, keep doing the good work.
And that's just a small section of the people that I've helped to generate commissions online. The bottom line is the 7-figure commission system works and is something that you need right now. It's an automated system which is 100% done for you. Now you're probably wondering how much this automated profit system is going to cost you. Well, the truth is not much at all. You can see the exact price on this page right now, and you'll see I'm pretty much giving this away, and that's because I want as many people to get access to the 7-figure commission system as possible so they can finally earn their first commissions online and generate at least $500 per per day, just like my team and I. Remember, when you secure your license, you're locking in access to the exact same 7-figure commission system that has given me real financial and location freedom. The freedom that allows me to do whatever I want, whenever I want. So if that's something you want, click the buy button on this page right now to join me inside the 7-figure commission system. In fact, I want to make this such a no-brainer, I'm going to give you some outrageous bonuses, including the Done For You giveaway campaigns, the Fast Track video series, which is a quick course focused on getting you started with the system as quickly as possible. I'm also getting you access to a free autoresponder, which we're using to print money with email marketing. And I'm also giving you my email swipe file, which is full of hundreds of copy and paste emails that you can use to get the same results we're getting. You're also getting the free traffic system as a bonus, which will eliminate any fears you may have about getting traffic to your 7-figure campaigns. And you're getting 5 other powerful bonuses that will help you crush it with the 7-figure commission system. And to make this a painless decision, try out the 7-figure commission system on my dime completely risk-free. Pick this up by clicking below now and use the system for the next 180 days risk-free. Start getting results with our automated process. And if for any reason you're not blown away, just let me know and I'll refund 100% of your tiny purchase price. We urge you to grab your copy of 7-figure commission system before the price jumps to $97 per month after the initial launch period. So click the buy button right now before you miss out on this golden opportunity, because you may never see this page again. You should look at this not as a purchase, but as an investment in your future. You could quite easily make your tiny investment back within a few hours. Weekly income against some of our existing members is hundreds of dollars per day, and hopefully you will be in that camp. Everything you need is on the inside of the 7-figure commission system. Check below for the full details, then hurry to lock in your access at this exclusive discount. Whatever you decide, I would like to thank you for watching this brief presentation. Have a great day, and I hope to see you inside the 7-figure commission system, where you'll get to meet the other members who have already made their first commissions online by simply giving away products for free made by other people. I look forward to seeing you as my next success story and the next profitable member of my 7-figure commission system. Click the buy button right now.